everyone, welcome to Any Videos Here channel, where we discuss incredibly relevant topics in the world of finance and technology. I'm Irma from AVH channel, and in this video, we're going to explore 10 amazing ways you can use ChatGPT in your everyday life. ChatGPT is a powerful AI language model developed by OpenAI, and it has numerous applications in various fields. Let's dive in and see how we can utilize it to make our daily lives easier and more fun. 1. Personal Assistant. ChatGPT can act as your personal assistant and help you with tasks such as setting reminders, searching the web, and answering questions. Just ask ChatGPT what you need, and it'll do its best to assist you. 2. Language Translation. ChatGPT can also translate text from one language to another, making it a great tool for language learners or for people traveling to different countries. Simply type in the text you want translated, and ChatGPT will provide an accurate translation. 3. Recipe Generator. If you're a foodie or love cooking, ChatGPT can help you discover new recipes and meal ideas. Simply tell ChatGPT what ingredients you have on hand or what type of cuisine you're in the mood for, and it'll generate a list of recipe suggestions. 4. Creative Writing Inspiration. ChatGPT can be an excellent tool for writers and content creators, providing inspiration and helping to generate new ideas. Just tell ChatGPT what kind of story you want to write, and it'll provide prompts and suggestions to get you started. 5. Virtual Tour Guide. ChatGPT can act as your virtual tour guide, providing information and recommendations on popular tourist destinations around the world. Just ask ChatGPT about a specific city or attraction, and it'll give you all the details you need to plan your trip. 6. Study Helper. ChatGPT can also be a valuable tool for students, providing explanations and answering questions on a variety of subjects, from history to science to math. 7. Joke Generator. ChatGPT can lighten the mood and bring a smile to your face by generating jokes on a wide range of topics. Just tell ChatGPT what kind of joke you're in the mood for, and it'll deliver a laugh in no time. 8. Personal Finance Advisor. ChatGPT can also offer advice and recommendations on personal finance and investments, helping you make informed decisions about your money. 9. Virtual Interior Designer. ChatGPT can help you redecorate your home by providing suggestions and inspiration for color schemes, furniture arrangements, and decor styles. Just describe your space and what you're looking for, and ChatGPT will get to work. 10. Chat Companion. Finally, ChatGPT can be a great chat companion, providing conversation and entertainment when you're feeling lonely or need someone to talk to. And those are 10 amazing uses of ChatGPT in everyday life. Whether you're looking for information, inspiration, or just a friendly chat, ChatGPT has got you covered. So, give it a try today and see how it can make your life easier and more enjoyable. If you like this video, please give this a like and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.